Now, you're probably expecting the same old blah blah about billionaire brands, AI, and chatgpt, but what if I told you we're taking a detour? In this video, a journey through a different kind of landscape where Detroit ChatGPT revolution meets essential questions and billionaire dreams. You see, focusing on the past can often make you miss the present opportunities, much like missing your bus because you were too busy counting the pigeons on the sidewalk. Except in this case, the bus is AI and ChatGPT, and it's driving straight to Billionaireville, catering to your unique purpose. And trust me, this bus doesn't wait around. But sometimes I almost wish I was a machine. No feelings, no emotions, just cold, hard processing power. All facts, no fluff, right? But then again, who would laugh at my jokes? On a more somber note, today I am dedicating this video to a young life lost too soon. A son, a nephew, a friend. Rest in peace, Julian Elijah Ashford. His life serves as a reminder to all of us, tomorrow isn't promised. We must find our purpose and leave a legacy that lasts. Today, let's choose to build a legacy. Let's choose to help others. Let's leverage AI tools to make positive changes. My Why, CCC Because We Care Foundation aims to do just that. Spreading acts of kindness and opportunities worldwide. The act of helping entrepreneurs and creating life-changing income by helping someone else. So can we. ChatGPT and AI tools are here to help, not replace. They are tools just like money. The real question is, will you learn to leverage them or let them outpace you? I know I don't want to be the guy who brought a spoon to a sword fight. Let me share with you 3 AI tools that can help you understand life insurance, the uncertainty of life, and the importance of leaving a legacy. Ethos for understanding life insurance. And please visit https://changeethos for an instant quote. HubSpot for automation and marketing for your campaigns for legacy change. Check it out here, https://change HubSpot. And Write Sonic to generate comprehensive information on these subjects. And check it out here, https://bit.ly/change chat Sonic. With Ethos, HubSpot, Write Sonic, ChatGPT, and future AI tools, check it out here, https://www.futuretools.io/tools/$1,000,000 idea. With Ethos, you can ensure your family legacy is secured. Go to the link here, visit https://bit.ly/change ethos for a free quote. And remember, an accident doesn't knock on the door before entering. We're all about taking action here, making a change. Every single day, 1% of imperfect action daily towards your why. Live in fear, first exiting average reality. Have the billionaire motivation and mindset to know anything is possible with consistency, effort, and strategy. Are you with us? Let's leverage these opportunities. Let's build a legacy. Because, my friends, our why should always be bigger than us. Thanks for taking a moment for your daily dose of reality checks and billionaire dreams. Remember, life is not promised. To my Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated sister, my Sands, Yolanda Hill Ashford, prayers to you and your family for the unexpected loss. Accidents don't just happen. God has the plan. We just have to trust it and have a whole lot of courage and faith. Trust the process. We will uplift his legacy. I can, I will, I must. Let's go.